We have been investigating or reflecting on the characteristic or the strategies that the mining industry or the extractive industry are using there in the Latin American countries, and there are some elements that are very common to all of them. In mining, for instance, the first one will be an intensive extraction of natural resources. They are going to places that they've never been before. They are having mining activities now in the top of the mountains, destroying glaciers, contaminating the offspring of water of the rivers that run down to the valleys. They are in the forest now as well. They are entering to national parks, to areas protected by international law for diversity or culture. Other important characteristic is that many of them will operate under front name. They will create a company in the country, and they will make a lot of investment through that company. But when you look at the company records, you look at them and you will find that the director of the company is people coming from the big mining company.